Hello and welcome to this live session, the part-time traders live session, where if you want to trade the forex market and remain profitably, you don't need to put yourself under pressure. You don't need to stress yourself up. Okay, you just need to trade what your strategy says you should trade. For those of you taking trades left, right, and center, even from the very shorter time frames, well, the fact remains that you are going to put yourself into serious stress and pressure, and possibly be losing your money. Okay, well, we are trading the market stresslessly, so to speak, and so far it has been so good. No losses yet. We have remained profitable, and we hope that the future is going to be even more better than what we have now. All right, having said that, looking into the forex economical calendar for tomorrow, we have the interest rate announcement coming from the New Zealand dollar axis. So few hours before the London market opens, we are likely going to see heavy market volatility across all New Zealand dollar crosses, all New Zealand dollar pairs, as this interest rate announcement will be pumped into the market for traders to follow. Okay, all right, let's look into the charts right now and see a few pairs that might be of interest to us. Unfortunately, we are only going to be looking into those that we are already involved in. Price in majority of the pairs are not clear enough for us to trade at this time. For instance, the sterling pounds against the American dollar, price is reacting off this trend line, but hey, we are not going to be taking trades here. All right, that's simply because we are again now seeing that kind of trending market scenario. All right, where we are seeing that higher swing highs and lower swing lows. All right, so that is a trend in its own to the downside. On the contrary, to the upside, we are seeing higher swing lows and higher swing highs. So lots of market confusion here. So the best thing you want to do is to avoid trading here for now in the sterling pounds against the American dollar. All right, let's see the American dollar against the Swiss franc. This is a trade that we have involved in for some time now, and price has just remained sideways right here. Okay, it has been going sideways. We did share a quick update about this, and I told you to keep the trade. Okay, so the American dollar against the Swiss franc, in my opinion, is still very bearish. We need to keep this trade until tomorrow. Okay, just keep it running. Hopefully we are going to see price break to the downside. All right, similarly, the American dollar against the Canadian dollar, we had our entry somewhere in here. That's our stop loss right here. What we are seeing now is that price has now entered into a range, into a sideways bias, which is more of a triangle. You can see how price has been swinging up and down. So chances are that we are going to have price come down again, and in the overall long-term directional bias, price is likely going to push to the downside in the American dollar against the Canadian dollar. So let's hold this trade and see what's going to happen in the next few days. Finally, okay, let's see the sterling pounds against the Japanese yen. We have already cashed out about plus 131 pips of profit here. That notification was actually sent to the Telegram channel. Let me just bring that quickly. Okay, it was sent to the Telegram channel. You can see how we first of all move our entries, all right, our stop loss level to break even position, and we let the trade run. Then the second the second update came in that we should cash out 50% of our profits are at plus 131 pips for the sterling pounds against the Japanese yen. So we still have 50% of our profit or our position are still running in the market, and we are confidently going to keep that running without any fear or favor. Okay. All right. Just a minute. Let me just see what's going on here. Okay, so having said that, let's very quickly move into the charts and summarize. Okay, sorry, I got that, Hector. I'm going to just make a brief review about that. All right. Now in the American dollar against, oh sorry, in the sterling pounds against the Japanese yen. I'm sorry about that. I was just getting a little message to let you know about the sterling pounds against Japanese yen. We are having a market flow setup here. All right, this is possibly another entry. If price pushes to that area, we should have price come back down. This pair is still bearish, and you need to be searching for only short opportunities for now. Okay, those of you in the signal channel will definitely let you know if we find another entry in the sterling pounds against the Japanese yen to go short. The American dollar against the Japanese yen, well, we did review this, but we didn't take the trade. Price is still very much bearish. Even for tomorrow, we expect to see more downside, so we'll be following here to see if we can get an entry as well. All right, that's basically all. If you have questions or contributions as usual, please feel absolutely free, send them across to us, and we'll be very happy to respond to them. Do not stress yourself up. Trade only what your trading strategy has identified as valid opportunity for you to trade. We'll talk again hopefully before the London market opens for tomorrow. You have a nice rest. Bye bye.